Welcome to this video. I'll show you how to give Facebook page access to someone else. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, log into the specific page. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, in the left hand side, you gotta find professional dashboard. Just click on it and then click on all tools in the left panel as well. So just click on it. I gotta find page access right here under profile. Click and a new page will load. So go ahead and click on add new with Facebook access or people with tasked access. You could also add community managers if you want to. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and click on people with tasked access. Add new. Task access means you can't switch into the page on Facebook, but they can manage specific tasks using other tools like Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. With Facebook access, these people can switch into the page and manage it directly on Facebook. All right? Or by using other tools like Meta Business Suite. I hope that's clear. Click on next, search by name or email. Let's say this guy right here, I'm going to click on it. So assign the task. Which ones? Content, messages and calls, community activity, ads or insight. Maybe ads or insights only. Well, go ahead and click on give access and then type down your Facebook password and then click on confirm. Once that's done, just wait a bit. And then this person should go ahead and go to their notification section and accept the invite or check their emailing service. And the email to the other person will look like this. All right. So they can just review the invite and then accept it from here. Just tap on continue. Right. So that is how you give someone Facebook page access. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.